morning children. How are you? I hope you all are fine. My name is Manisha ma'am and I am your art and craft teacher. Today I will teach you how to make a board. Okay. Which material required for board? Craft paper, plain paper, glue and blue crayon. If you don't have craft paper, what you take? You take any paper but the shape is square shape. Okay. Now what you do? First, put your white paper on table. See, like a diamond shape. Now what you do? Color side down and white side in front of you. Now see, hold the paper like this. And what to do? This side you bring up and press the paper. See? Which shape is this? Which shape? Triangle shape. Again what to do? Again hold the paper like this. Bring this side down. And press the paper. Now what to do? Now put this paper on table. See from this side. What to do? You bring this side up. Okay? And place the paper. Again what you do? See this side. You bring up. And place the paper. See? Your board is ready. Again open your paper. Again what to do? You put your paper on table. Color paper is downside and white paper is front of you. Now again hold the paper. Bring upside and press the paper. Okay? See. Again put your paper on the table. This side you go up. Wow, your board is ready. Come on, take one more paper. Take again which shape? Square shape paper. Again put your paper on table. White side up and color side down. Again you bring this paper up and press the paper. See how? Again hold the paper like this. Bring this paper down and press it. Then put this paper on table. Again this side you bring up. And your board is ready. See? Now what you do? You take plain paper. Okay? Then you take glue. Put this glue on board. And stick this board on your paper. See how? Now what you do? You take crayon and draw sleeping line. See how I am drawing? In this way you make water. Okay? See, your craft work is ready. Okay, bye bye.